welcome back to the channel, guys. Appreciate everyone that's ran up all the previous vlogs and all of that good stuff. And I figured we'll jump on the camera and, you know, take a ride with us for this morning. Where we off to, baby?
We're off to Twisted Sisters in Frankston.
If you don't know, yeah, it's like where you can eat and all of that. Because she's kind of hungry and I'm kind of hungry as well. So.
And the food. And the service.
Bon appetit, baby. So I already know what I'm going in for. That's straight big brekkie, of course. Have to.
And I'm getting eggs Benny.
Eggs Benny. So, yeah, ride this wave. I've got some car parts coming in the mail via Ozpost. Hopefully ETA is today. So if it is, we will probably get them installed. If not, we'll probably just run this vlog whenever they do come in, the next tomorrow or whatever. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy this one.
And I think you're really gonna like this vlog.
Hopefully, if
It's
everything,
a long time coming, this one.
if everything goes to plan, it should be pretty on. So yo, I'll see you guys in a bit. The daily whooper. I think these guys are going to be excited for this. A little hint, like bit of a, but yeah, we'll worry about that later on, eh? Fuck, beautiful. It's 5 o'clock somewhere. No. We're on.
On.
There we have it, guys. Big brekkie. Ended up going with the scrambled eggs.
I went with the veggie one with scrambled eggs.
Veggie. Wow. Bring it on, eh? Quickly gonna munch this and let's get our morning started.
Yeah.
Made it home, guys. How was the brekkie, babe?
It was good.
If you're ever in Frankston, if you haven't already, go try it. Twisted Scissors.
Okay, well, Rolex wants to say
They
hello to the
hey
vlog.
Rolex.
What are you doing?
Their schedule for bringing out the brekkie is, bro, it's pretty crazy. Like within 10 minutes. I don't know if maybe prices times are different when there's more people, but how's it going, my boy? Good morning. Say hello to the vlog. Good morning. But yeah, we just made it home. Done some errands. Stopped at Bunnings. Got us a weed plant. Nah. Got us some solar lights to help it grow. Nah. It's just gonna tidy up the front yard a little. Some, you know, pretty up the house a bit. Unfortunately, the car parts ain't gonna be in today. Yeah, got that lazy text message. They're running behind time, so we're probably gonna save this vlog for another day. I'm gonna get on to getting my lawns done and work on the front end. So whenever these parts come in, hopefully tomorrow, then we'll run it back tomorrow. But I can't wait to show you guys what we got planned for this backyard. Gonna be changing it up a bit, paint a few things, add a few things, get rid of a few things. So
We need to get rid of that washing line.
yeah, need to get rid of a lot of things. But yeah, stay tuned and we'll see you in the next update. Welcome back, guys, to another day on the vlogs. As you can see, we've kind of changed up the backyard a little. Ended up moving the V-dub over there and the Beamer over there. That's because we got rid of the Ford Focus finally. If you know, you know. That's been sitting in the backyard for the last 2 years. Used to be the Mrs. Old Daily, and you know, it was like sentimental to us, so we couldn't really get rid of it, you know. I think that car's been here longer than every car I've ever owned. You know, and I've owned a lot of cars. But I thought it's time to, you know, change it up, let it go, and, you know, sort of move on. Plus, I've always said on the vlogs that I wanted to kind of clear out some space, you know. So hopefully in summer we can, you know, so if we clear up some space, that's more cars for the channel. As you can see the backyard, we can kind of fit a few cars in here, you know, but the more cars you get, it's kind of gets annoying moving cars in and out. Whereas in these, can just pretty much drive in, drive out, instead of that car being there and Mrs. wanted to go to work and Amy wanted to go to work, they would kind of have to move out and all of that. So, you know, change is always good. But as you can see, it's kind of sunset, and had a busy day today off camera. Had a few of the bros pull up, come for a lazy chill and that. So this is one of the car parts that we ordered for the BMW X5. I just got off eBay. I've already taken it out of the box. You can tell by all the fingerprints. But I reckon this could look alright. You know, it's universal. Come over here, guys. Excuse the TNs. So universal, I think we pay like 36 bucks. I reckon, like, it's not much, you know, but I feel if you kind of go back, you might get a better angle. You know what I mean?
Where are you off to, mate?
Wasn't really meant to do that, but what do you guys reckon? I reckon it could look alright. What do you reckon? I reckon right there.
Yeah.
So, now the usual double side tape. So I'll quickly get this taped up. I've already wiped it down and we can install it. There we go.
What do we reckon?
I reckon that's all good. What do you guys reckon? Not bad, eh? $35. Adds a lip to the actual lip. But I kind of dig it.
It's different.
$35 on eBay. I'll leave it in the description below. Not bad. If you guys agree, make sure you bang that like for me. Changed up the stickers, went up going satin black.
You can't see.
Kind of goes with the theme of the BMW. And I was like looking on Coke before, but you know, in the summer, can get a few barbecue chills and all of that, and have this in the background. But we're not here for that, we're here for this. There's another mod, and this is what we have.
Ooh.
Some people might like it, some may not. But hey, I think we paid 70 bucks for these. I think it was like 70 shipped. And I was gonna get a color match to this, but I kind of feel with all the black accents and all of that, I reckon it could look alright, eh? So I'll quickly change one over, and then we'll whip the other one back on. So I've just taken off the cover. I put the other one on, and bro, you can judge for yourself. What do you guys reckon? You guys prefer some aftermarket eBay ones or the stock ones? Like, don't get me wrong, the stock still looks good. Kind of ties in with everything, but as you come to the other side, you know, it just looks so much better. And now since this is gloss black, this kind of throws us off. So we might end up just buying new ones, or I might even just wrap them gloss black, you know. So as you come around to the side, got that little lip spoiler, universal. And hopefully in this vlog, we're gonna be lowering it a little. I didn't know it's got rear bags from factory, so I just gotta do some research. And hopefully we can get it a bit lower. We were never gonna lower this, but as time goes on, you know, might as well send it. So yeah, we'll take the other side off. Pretty easy. Just need one of these. And then sort of just put on the groove, pop it out, and it should just come out. So yeah. Oh shit. Paint's coming off. Didn't even know that. Oh well. Yeah, let's get to installing this other one. I love when car parts come in the mail. Not bad, eh? For 70 bucks, you can't really complain. So we'll get the... So this is the one that was from factory and eBay special. And yeah, I was gonna paint it, eh? But I kind of like the black. So we'll just go.
I'll come on this side.
Normally when you watch YouTube videos, they make it look so easy, and it's really so hard. But these are fairly easy. Get the lazy rag. There we have it.
I kind of like it how it's got that wing.
Yeah, it's like M style, whatever they call it. But what do you guys reckon? You guys dig the mirrors? Because I kind of dig it. And it goes with the little lip spoiler, as I said previously. And we're still waiting for another mod. And that's to do with us lowering it. So it's Sunday right now. The parts meant to come in tomorrow. So hopefully one day during this week, I'll probably end up lowering it, because we need to see this a bit more, you know, a bit more closer to the wheel, I reckon. I know it's probably not going to be much, but I think anything's better than this ride height. So if we can even get it to about there, I reckon it'll be a massive difference. Do you guys agree? Surely. Not bad. I was a bit iffy on this as well, to get in these, but 70 bucks is 70 bucks, you know. But yeah. There we have it, ladies and gents. Quick, easy installs. So I hope you guys have a good night or good morning whenever you're watching this, and we'll see you very, very soon. And don't worry about this guy, he's a bit of a sook, aren't you, mate? What's nasty, homies? Welcome back to another day on the vlogs here in the backyard. And god damn, look at that X5. Looking wavy. So what we got planned in today's vlog is I got to do a few orders. I got a lot of orders that I got to do today, but I'll do that off camera. I really wanted to get these wrapped up quickly, like what I said in the previous video. Wrap them gloss black and wrap these gloss black. And I made some seatbelt covers up. So I felt like, hey, if we can't lower it at the moment, let's chuck some seatbelt covers in. slide in the DMs. FBOIG Notorious _Aura styling. Could be any design you want, but I just went with this. Nasty up to kind of match the banner. So might quickly chuck these in. Pretty easy as. This will go pretty much there. Perfect. So I'll quickly get these in, and then we can get on to wrapping these up. Probably before it starts raining, because that's not a good idea, eh? Yeah, make sure you cop yours. Seatbelt covers. It might not seem like much to you guys, like, you know, oh, whoopee, seatbelt covers, but you know what I mean? Like, I reckon it just looks good. You know, something different. And it's always good being different, you know? So as you're rolling, taking lazy snaps or IG stories, you know, while you're in the whips and that, and style. One more to do, and we're good. Try to do this with one hand, eh? It's gonna be a bit hard, but give it a young shot. Like that. Flip that over. Done. As you put your seatbelt on. Perfect. You guys agree? Make sure you subscribe, or if you want a company, slide in those DMs, and yeah, pick up Carrum Downs, Melbourne, Victoria, or I can express ship it to you. But yeah, all done. So now let's get to getting these weather shields wrapped. I reckon, you know, the usual, we'll just do the fast play. I'll do 2 off camera, and wrap the other 2. Nasty. Welcome back. As you can see, it was been raining, so I ended up waiting for the rain to stop so we could start recording again. And yeah, I got one side of the car wrapped up with the weather shields, and it's such a big difference. You know, now this kind of flows together, like gloss black on gloss black. I've also wrapped the reflectors. I reckon it's those subtle little, you know, things that just make a big difference. Even though it might not seem like much to other people, but see, like, that's nice, but I feel that looks a lot better. If you guys agree, make sure you know, drop a comment and let me know about those, you know, those simple little things that, you know, it's always pieces to the puzzle on the whips. I don't know, I have this kind of eye for it, you know. See, like this example, gloss black, and this is more like a clear blue. But then you come to this side and it just ties in together. Not bad for a daily, eh? I know it's not V8 or turbo, all of that, but I reckon a good daily. Clean, simple. Grocery getter. That's why we have the VF. This is more like the backyard ornament. This is the weekender. Come back here. Oh, look at that. That's a good view. So I'll quickly wipe this down and let's get to getting these wrapped up before it starts raining again. Obviously, because of Melbourne weather. On ya. But yo, now let's get it. See, like, even looking at that, yeah, it's another, you know, being into cars, man, it gets bloody expensive, you know. It's a never-ending project. Pretty happy with it like this, just like that. Squeegee. Heat it up a bit. I sort of cut on the very edge of the weather shield itself. Usually people don't really wrap their weather shields, they usually just buy new ones, but you already know on this channel. We sort of just make do with what we got sometimes. And just like that, that's one done. See, now this is the big difference. Wrapped, faded. Can you fellas see the difference? It looks so much better. Might just have to leave it like that. Gloss black, faded black, gloss black. On ya. Nah. Okay, probably chuck these on a quick time lapse so I can smash out this weather shield and this reflector. So, how to take this off? Tab there. Alright, you just get a flat top, small flat top or trim removal tool, and then just ply your way into it and it will just pop out just like that. So I'll chuck these probably right here, and then yeah, we'll get this wrapped up real quick and reinstall it. There we have it, ladies and gents. Blacked out. Bang. Just like that. Both reflectors are wrapped. Along with the weather shields. Bon appetit, baby. God, this thing's coming together very well. know we had to give you those lazy cinematics. Of course. We've done a lot to this. Even though, you know, doesn't seem like much, but, yeah. From the interior to the exterior, it's coming together very well. And I'm pretty happy with this. But, I don't know, do we lower it in this video? Or do we lower it in the next one? That's the question. Should we? Or should we not? I think the weather's telling me, I think the weather's telling me no. But in my head, I'm saying yes. Because everyone wants to see this lowered. But I don't know. You guys are going to have to wait and see in the next update. That might be it for this vlog. Oh, I can't stop staring at it, to be honest. It just looks tough. Like these two next to each other. Imagine rolling that once that's lowered. Yeah, Zaddy. But I think that's going to be me. I'm going to end the vlog here. Sorry we didn't lower this car in this vlog. I didn't plan for this. I was going to, but weather no good, and a lot of orders have just come through, so rather do the mahi first before we can get the treats on. So yeah, stay tuned for the next vlog. Next vlog we'll be lowering it. So hope you guys all have an amazing morning, a good day, a good arvo whenever you guys are watching this. Make sure you turn that bell notification on. Subscribe, comment, and like as always. You already know, stay fucking wavy and keep it fucking nasty, baby. Laters, my G's.